Hi students, welcome to online class and once again good morning to all of you students. So this class we have to study about birds. Okay, we shall discussing about the birds. Students, in our previous class we learned about some birds concept, that is different types of birds and body parts of the birds and how the birds makes fly, and there are four different types of feathers. All birds have feather. This one everything we have to learn very well. So this class we shall discussing about birds. Specifically, all birds have three common features, namely feathers, beaks, claws. Okay, feathers we are already learnt, that is in our previous class, but in this class we shall discussing about beaks. What? Beaks, birds beaks. Okay, beaks means this is called beaks. Look here, this is beaks, birds beaks. Okay, beaks, the birds shape of beaks is depends upon the type of food they eat. The birds beaks is depends upon the type of food they eat, and as they don't know the bird chewing their food, they do not have any teeth, they use their beaks to bite, crush or tear the food. So regarding this, all birds have beaks. Okay, but there is same is there? All birds beaks have same is there? Just you have to observe in your surrounding birds beaks. Students, there is different types of are there. So many different types of are there. So regarding this, so we shall study about different types of beaks of the bird. Okay, students, here beaks. Okay, generally all birds have beaks, but then all birds beaks have same? No, there is a different type. Those are, here is there: curved beaks, crushing beaks, piercing and tearing beaks, shifting beaks, probing beaks, and last one, chiseling beaks. So what it means, what they are telling, how which type of these beaks we shall now study. Okay students, first one, curved beaks. Curved beaks birds, which are those? Just look here. If this type of any bird's beaks is there, that is called curved beaks. This curved beaks example is parrot. Have you seen parrot? Yes, this parrot beaks are curved beaks. Okay, it helps the birds to eat the fruits and to crack the nuts. This curved beaks of parrot help to eat the fruits and crack the nuts. That's why parrots have curved beaks. And next one, crushing beaks. Crushing beaks birds have this, like is there. Look there, this is crushing beaks. This crushing beaks examples birds have sparrow and pigeon. Sparrow and pigeon have short, hard beaks to crush the grain and seeds. Okay, next one, piercing and tearing beaks. Piercing and tearing beaks. Commonly all tearing beaks are this, like is there. Just you look. This is tearing beaks. Okay, this commonly tearing beaks are flesh eating birds. Flesh eating means animal eating birds. Like examples of piercing and tearing beaks is kite, eagle. Okay, are you understood this one? Okay, piercing and tearing beaks are kite and eagles have piercing and tearing beaks. Their beaks is this, like is there. Okay, and shifting beaks. Shifting beaks examples of birds is duck. Duck have shifting beaks. This, like is there. Look there. Their beak is very wide, and look here. These ducks have flat and broad beak is there with a small hole. On the both side. The ducks dig up the mud from the duck is there. It digs up food from the mud and water pushed out through the holes, leaving the food behind. Okay, that's the reason ducks have holes. Why the ducks have holes? Ducks have digs up the food from the mud and water are pushed out through the holes, leaving the food behind. Okay, shifting beaks have duck is there is an example of shifting beaks. Last one more is the probing beaks. Probing beaks is there this like it's a very long beak. If any birds have long beak is this like is there, that is probing beaks. Examples of probing beaks: hummingbird. Have you seen hummingbird? It's very difficult to, I think you are see. It's not possible because this hummingbird is there. It's a smallest bird in the world, and its whole body having only 5 centimeter. Only 5 centimeter, with including their beak and tail. Their whole body having only 5 centimeter. Just to think, student, how much long is there, how much small is there. Only 5 centimeter. Hummingbird is a world's smallest bird. And one more thing, student, have you know which in the world very large bird is there? The world largest living bird is ostrich. Which one? Ostrich. Keep in your mind, student. Okay, this one help to your general knowledge. Okay, this one, if you know this one, you have to improve your general knowledge. Okay, shifting beaks, probing beaks. Okay, probing beaks examples: hummingbird. Okay, next one, chiseling beaks. Chiseling beaks means the birds like woodpecker. This is woodpecker. Birds like woodpecker have a strong, long and straight beak to pick the wood and eat insects present in the wood. They also use a chisel to make hole the tree, which serve as a nest. So chiseling beaks is very strong and sharp is there. Example, woodpecker. Okay, this is the different types of beaks. I hope you are understood these all different types of beaks of birds. Okay, with examples. And one more, students, keep in your mind, this is very important note, that is all birds beaks is there. Beaks, all birds beaks keep growing through their leaves. How much their leaves, the birds, their whole life, the birds beaks are keep growing. Okay, so thank you, students. I hope you are understood this class. Okay, next class we shall discussing about remaining one part, that is clause above. Okay, thank you, students.